like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have Allure's May box. When you open it, it looks like this. And this goes for right around $20 a month, and I'll put it on the screen, but excuse my appearance. This shirt's getting way too big, but I am going to Louisiana here in a few minutes, and this came in, and I wanted to steal the perfume out of it, so that's why I'm doing this. So you always get this little brochure. It tells you what's in it, how to use it, and then you take that out, and this is what it looks like. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is ELEMIS Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. And this is just going to be a quick one, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. I heard ELEMIS changed their formula, and this is what it looks like. And then you just dab it on under your eye, you know, eye cream. But it's full size. And it's expensive, but I heard they reformulated. And here's for the member store. Things about their GQ box. Let's see if that says how much the value is. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. It's $50 and that's full size. And the next thing I'm pulling out is Chris Appleton Color Wow Money Mask, and it's supposed to save your color in your hair. Ooh, it smells really, really good. It smells really good. Let's see how big. It's too late to save the color in mine, but okay. And this is valued at $45 for 212 mil. These glasses don't look very good, but it smells very, very good. It does smell good. And then we got MudMasky, and this is Midnight Hand Mask. This is for your hands. And it's just like a hand lotion. Has no smell. Has no smell. And then, okay, this is Bloomeffects Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm. It looks like that. Then it's one of these. And it looks like that. And it's for your lips or your cheeks. And that's how I would do it. I would put it on a mixing plate and see, it brushes out really nice. So we have that. I believe that's full size also. Then we have Natural Ekos Terma Exfoliating Shower Gel. Let's see if I can open it. See what it smells like. It smells like a hair salon. That's what it smells like. It smells like a hair salon. It smells good, but yeah. Okay, and then lastly, we have Poets of Berlin, Eau de Parfum, Vilheim Parfumerie in New York. This stuff. See, I just thought this would be more convenient to take with me then. Smells very good. I smell the vanilla at the end. But this is $175 for 50 milliliters, and we got, what, 0.5, something like that. Expensive. And I'll just throw that there. Anyhow, I realized this was a quick one, but like I said, I'm running out the door. So come on back, like, subscribe. Come on back. Bye.